You keep talking.
Me and Isaac were like in his kitchen and he like opened the door and at the same time his cat meowed and we like both looked at each other and then we looked down at the cat because she did it again. He was like moving the door back and forth to try to get it to do it again, but it was the cat the whole time.
Oh my god.
It was so funny.
This is Captain Radical Blunt Craig. He's so precious. I'm gonna show minor nudity on YouTube. He's a boy. But it's okay, he's just a cat. His tail is like, where is it? Right there. It's bent. I don't know. Gonna have that checked out when I take him to the vet when he's 16 weeks old, so I can get him neutered. Ouch! Crap. Crap, Captain. Captain. He likes his ears rubbed. Puts him to sleep, but right now he wants to play. Everybody, take notice to these precious pale pink paws. Don't you rip your paw away from me, boy. I'll put a camera up in your face. You see his pink nose? His pink paw. Oh, you're so precious. Alright, I'll keep playing. Metroid Prime. Lacey. Captain Radical. Oh, that was cute.
You can't get it. Look at his little face stripes. He's so cute.
Oh, wait. Stop it. No, focus on the string. Put your head down. There's an M on his head. You can see that. He's so cute. Ooh, Captain Radical. Captain Radical Blunt Craig. It's his full name. You can just call him Captain, whatever.
Oh my god!
What now?
This dog is so cute.
Alright, that is
someone's
cute.
dog on YouTube.
I totally did.
No!
Oh my god, his dog is so cute! I'm not as cute as my kitty. I'm not as cute as Captain. Look at him.
I'm gonna show him Choo-Choo. We're having a cute battle.
Right? Show him my cat tangled up in string and say it's yours.
I already showed him a picture of Winry. He said she looks like a tiger.
She does.
Show him Monroe. I have a dog, motherfucker.
Yes! We have a ring-necked dove.
Should I show him the picture of Choo-Choo with the mustache or the one where he's like all close up on the camera, the one that was my background for the computer?
Mustache, that's way cuter. For a cute battle? Yeah, stash. Who is this with?
Chris.
Who's Chris?
I don't know.
Nah. Is he the one that said beautiful out of nowhere?
Yeah!
And you were like, who the fuck are you? And he's like,
My friend Tiffany, she sent out a mass text. So, he replied to hers. Beautiful. And he was like, oh, no, that was to a mass text. I'm like, was it to Tiffany? He was like, yes! He was like, well, this is embarrassing for me. He's like, I'm sure you're beautiful too. And I'm like, yeah.
you want to find out?
Find out. For real?
Look at this.
Tiffany are discussing her cat names because I was saying I crack me up because I made it that's what she said joke and she was like you crack me up too and I'm like no I'm terrible at puzzles and she's like it's okay I'll put the pieces back together. It's like can we arrange them so you look like a kitty cat? Throwing that out. And she was like yes. And now we're discussing what her name would be.
Captain Radical Bluntfuck.
Captain, that's your cat's name.
No, it's Craig. He doesn't have fuck. But he has Blunt. And Craig.
That's not what you were playing with, but you can't tell.
Because you're a kitty. Look at his belly. It's got spots. Spots. And then he got stripes. Then he's got this long... Come back here. No lap time
like,
for you. Then it's got this big dark orange stripe down him. No! If you're gonna go to sleep, you're gonna go sleep on your new mommy, girl. I mean, boy. Picking your aunt over your mommy. That is so mean. Yeah. Right, this is 6 minutes long.
He said, Choo Choo has a mustache. Holy shit, I have a new hero.
Ah! You won.